At Dyne Fire Protection Labs in Woodbury, Minnesota, we are committed to partnering to protect lives and property. Serving customers throughout the world, we pride ourselves on providing quick, easy, and accurate testing services that you can rely on. Over the past 20 years, we have provided the fire protection industry with independent analysis of firefighting foam, antifreeze solutions, fire sprinklers, and dry chemical agents to ensure their continued performance in the field and help building owners and contractors meet various inspection, testing, and maintenance requirements. Periodically, based on age, type, and storage conditions, samples of fire sprinklers must be sent to a recognized laboratory for field service testing. Our sprinkler testing laboratory, which is ISO 17025 accredited, is equipped with plunge test ovens specifically designed to evaluate a fire sprinkler's sensitivity and functionality to give you the confidence and peace of mind you are looking for. Reports outlining the findings of the test are in your inbox in 5 business days or less, with rush testing also available for those that need results sooner. Field service test tags are also available upon request to aid you in future inspections and when the time comes for subsequent testing. For your convenience, free sample test kits are available that include free return shipping within the contiguous United States for standard sprinklers. Dry sprinkler kits are also available for a small fee. Ordering a kit is easy. Simply call, email, or use our user-friendly online ordering system. When it comes time to submit samples for testing, ensure the sample return form is completed fully to avoid any delays due to missing information. To streamline this process, our customer portal features online submission of samples that guides you step by step through the process. Should you have any questions throughout the process, our team is here to help. Whether you prefer to call, email, or use the chat feature on our website, we pride ourselves on our customer service. From firefighting foam to sprinklers, from antifreeze to dry chemical, our qualified staff is here to meet your fire protection laboratory needs.